Hi guys, welcome to Hi channel from Japan. Today I want to share Japanese vending machines. Japanese vending machines are crazy. Let's go! There are many vending machines in Japan. Travelers are often surprised by vending machines. There are really vending machines everywhere. It's common to sell ice cream in a row of 4. If you walk a little, another vending machine will appear in Japan. There have been 2 million vending machines in Japan for 30 years. More than McDonald's stores worldwide. Some vending machines are cheaper than supermarket and sometimes they go to vending machines. It's common to have hot drinks as well as cold drinks. The ratio changes depending on the season. Restaurant orders are often vending machines. Labor costs are reduced. It's said that there are many vending machines because of good security and low crime of vending machines. Okay, let's take a look at the crazy vending machines in Japan. Alcohol vending machine, often. There is everything from beer to sake. There are also vending machines for cigarettes. Age ID required. Ramen vending machine, often found on ski area. Of course, it's completed and comes out. There are also udon and oden vending machines. Crazy. Vending machine only for soup stock. Crazy. The hamburgers is completed and comes out. Is there a cook inside? Condom vending machine. No age ID is required. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like.